Eh, paano na kayo mag-ahod po?
Okay lang.
Ano di-focus mo ako, no?
Ako, yari ang tissue paper ko diyo. Ni ba yun? Ano yun?
Sa
Aron?
Yes! Libre ko start. Tawag pa tayo function sa mga dami. Kapag sa knowledge ng mga tao nga ano, like mga official or something. Okay na.
Good evening, Yanao. Welcome to first Mayor Picture Meeting of Lawn Basketball Tournament 2025. Our game for tonight, between Tigbawa versus Maasi. We would like to thank the following sponsors. OnSafe Driving School, Liagao, Iloilo. Nismal Corporation, Hardware and Electrical Supply. Mighty Angela Grocery Store, Gabalikia and Dress Chicken, also fresh meat and frozen foods. JM Styles, the cream, capital of Tanay. Pag-on Builders and Supply. Edwin
Masin
Furniture
Team.
Shop, located at Barangay Kirian School, Liagao, Iloilo. Owned and managed by Mr. Edwin Device Panya. Antanas Bachoy, located at Progresa Street, Liagao, Iloilo. Owned and managed by Mr. Abelino Nasis Valencia.
Good evening, basketball fans! Balik naman kita diri sa mga
Pa-share sa atong live mga idol.
para sa kapadayon ng Mayor Richard S. Garin ang first Pablon Festival and Town Basketball Tournament. Ang atong na game sa buong gabi ang Masinki, Masanduco nakahampang contending team sa mga entertainment nila ang defending champion or ang last year's champion sa Pasig na Tigbawan versus one of the strong teams man dito sa probinsya ang team sa Banwa sa Pasig. Naka-blue no ang nakaputi ang Tigbawan, hindi naka-blue, naka-green na rival type ang Pasig. Subong nag-ulan man Japon, pero hindi man yun medyo gamay ang tao Subong is because nag-ulan ganyan Subong mahapon. Subong sa Liwatig Bawang versus Maasin, medyo kulang ang Maasin, no? Mark Sinesa is not in the lineup right now. Nicor Nicor is not also in the lineup of Maasin. Also sa Tigbawan, PJ Brasilino is not in the lineup. Eric Gosti is not playing, will not be playing on Tigbawan. Parehas pa sila nga may pula, but hopefully we will have a good game. Both teams are tested. Both teams are competing at the highest levels of the intertown. We will see who will prevail tonight. Both teams are in the bracket B. And good evening. In a while, in the last next 2 minutes, we will be starting our ball game. But before that, allow me to thank our sponsors on our live at Experience Style and Daily Style Fitness Supplies. On demand by Sergey Novi Pantalco and Mama
Bawang team.
Style Fitness Supplies, the tools of the Supreme Capital of Panay. And also, thank you to H-Team and Jenny Import and Export Trading Corporation, Corporation Incorporated, by Sir J.P. Hernandez.
This is the first game tonight na idol sa Jaginekay napagpahanay sa Subong Basketball.
Company Incorporated. And also, thank you to Bubble
Maasin yung champion sa Maasin.
Try their premium Taiwan milk tea. May araman sila mga milkshake, coffee, different types of coffee, and burgers and everything. For your refreshment. Katuloy ang ilang place, no? Kag mag-relax. Upod ang Bubble de Brew di Miagao. And also, our live is brought to us by Antadans Batsoyan. Pinakamanamit ni Batsoy, diri sa Miagao. Kung nagkatuloy ka sa Miagao, hindi pa rin mading mag-agi sa Antadans Batsoyan. Barato, manamit, saboroso. Kanik Dilawi para mapamatunan mo ang Antadans sa Batsoyan. Maraming salamat. Ready na ang tanan, ang ating live coverage. May live kita sa ating Facebook channel, Ako Si Bulan. And also, kung buksan ang YouTube sa inyo mga Smart TV, i-search ang Ako Si Bulan, kung pangita ang ating live, kung tanawa sa dako ang mga screen, dahil masanat ang ating live din sa ating YouTube channel. Enjoy sa ating dala sa mga gabing hampang, Tigbawan, the 2004 or 2003 champion sa Intertown sa Pasig against one of the contender teams man sa Intertown diri sa probinsya, ang Maasin na team, no? Tigbawan, shout out sa head coach ng Tigbawan, Coach Bib Angelo Pitogo, and ang coach ng Maasin, Coach Roy Bermudo, Peter Jim Pravenia in the house.
Good evening, everyone. Game Clear, Tigbawan versus Maasin.
Bongbong Talimay, Tanyo, Pidong Tugday, Ikangaw, and Peter Jim Pravenia. Ang Imasang Tigbawan, Imasang Maasin, Lorne Hacolina, Silverio Moralidad, and Lester Van Paraico. Moralidad to para Ico. Fake sa 3. Back to Moralidad. For 3. Wala. Rebound by Hacolina. That block by Bongbong Talimay. Wala sa Tigbawan. Dikangao. Pass to Tanyo. Back to Dikangao. Sa metro line pass to Tugday. Corner to Bongbong Talimay. For 3. Wala. Ikang by laser band para Ico. Wala sa Masin. Silverio! At there's a foul on Tanyo.
Foul by number 17, Richard Tanyo. That is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Wala sa Masin. Moralidad. Pass to Silverio. Metro line. There's a foul. On Midong Tugday.
Foul by number 6, Beno Tugday. That is your first personal foul, second team foul.
Wala gyapon sa Masin para Ico for 3. Wala. Rebound. Hacolina. Second chance point para sa Masin. Wala sa Tigbawan.
8 minutes 43 seconds.
Dikangao. Tugday. Travenya. Fake. Travenya drives. Loose. Nabuyan na bola. Wala sa Masin. Moralidad. Pass break to para Ico. Para Ico. Stolen by Tanyo. Pero wala sa maging pasahan. Recovered by Hacolina. Bola sa Masin.
Masin.
Lorque to Hacolina. Missed the reverse layup. Pero pass break sa akin Tigbawan. Broken by Maasin. Lorque. Lorque. Pass to Hacolina. Back to Moralidad. Moralidad. Back to Hacolina. With 8 seconds to shoot. Lorque for 3. Kapos. Pick up by Tugday.
Rebound Tugday. Talimay.
Wala sa akin Tigbawan.
Ikangao.
Dikangao. Pass to Tanyo.
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 Dribbling the ball.
Screen kay Bongbong Talimay. Tanyo. Pass to Peter Jim.
Peter Jim Travenya. Dribbling the ball. Pasa. Talimay nag-press.
Talimay for 3 points. Bang! The 3-point shot is brought to you by H-Team Engineer for the Export Corporation by Sir J.P. Hernandez.
Silver 17. Maasin.
Uy! Pass by Lorque to Silverio.
4-5.
4
1.8 Tigbawan. 7 minutes 7 seconds. First quarter.
Wala sa Tigbawan. Dikangao. Aras by Lorque. Parang bola kay Bongbong. Bongbong Talimay. Against Wilma Silverio. Pass
Peter
to
Jim.
Peter Jim Travenya. Nag-fake. Side step
Peter Jim
jumper.
give pass
Pass to
kay Kangao.
Dikangao.
Oy, steal.
Kick out pass stolen by Moralidad.
Validad.
Wala sa Maasin.
Tata.
Lester Band para Ico. Corner. Lorque for 3. Wala. Pick up by Bongbong Talimay. Bukas sa
Kangao.
Tigbawan.
Dribbling the ball. Tigbawan. Jersey number
Dikangao
13. Pass to Peter Jim. Steal by Maasin.
By Maraico. Forward pass.
Steal by
Stolen by
Talimay.
Bongbong Talimay. Peter Jim. Lebre.
Peter Jim nag-press.
Wala. Rebound to
Sunod
Day.
rebound Tugday.
Day.
Tugday. Kangao. 2 points.
Pass 2 points para kay Dikangao. 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Time remaining sa first quarter. Wala sa
Maasin
Maasin. Wala Moralidad. Jumper.
Moralidad.
No basket. Rebound Tanyo.
Kangao dribbling the ball. Jersey number 13 of Tigbawan.
Dikangao may bola para sa Tigbawan. Paso Tanyo.
Tanyo. Tanyo.
Tanyo against Paraico. Tanyo.
Tanyo
jumper.
nag-press. Jumper.
Wala. Rebound
Logan.
Moralidad.
Rebound by Moralidad. Dribbling the ball.
Moralidad. Moralidad. Diretso. Black by Travenya. Pick up by Silverio. And foul ang itawag kay Peter Jim Travenya.
Foul by number 31, Peter Jim Travenya. That is your first Warning, number 81 of Tigbawan for second to a call.
Ayan, tabi niya, shout out. Ronnie Borra, shout out. Anlim Laraya, shout out. Rafael Alpedrada, shout out. Alma Tutunal, shout out. Thank you, guys.
Walang yapon sa maasin para ito for 3. The 3-point shot is brought to you by H Team and Jenny Import and Export Trading Corporation by Sir JP Hernandez. Tied ball game 7 all with 5 minutes and 5
Good
seconds.
points.
As jumper from Pinapaw.
9-7 in favor of Tigbawan, 2-point lead.
Bola sang maasin. Roque jumper no basket. Rebound. Tambay. Kapit na limay. Silverio, beat by 2. Wala sa bola ginawag. Fast break, panitigbawan. Taton to Helbison.
Elbison.
Helbison. Power, wala. Rebound, pick up by Maasin. 3 against 2. Oy, Lorque. But pick up by Silverio. Back to Paraico. Lebre. Wala. Rebound, Dimiges. Oy. Dimiges, Helbison. But pick up by Maasin. 2 points by Lorque.
Joaquin Lopez.
Kasi 9, Tigbawan, 11.
Wala sa Tigbawan, Taton. Pass to Tinapaw. Tinapaw. Back to Happy Talimay. Happy. Pass to Taton for 3. Wala. Rebound Silverio. Wala sa Maasin. Moralidad. 1 against 2. Nagbalik. Pass to Paraico. Paraico. Pass to Moralidad. Moralidad. Nice step through. Plus 2 points.
2 points, Masin.
3 minutes and 24. Only 1 point lead para sa Tigbawan.
3 minutes,
Happy
20
Talimay.
second.
Pass to Ornel Bison.
First
Bison
quarter.
jumper. Basket.
Elbison, 2 points. Tigbawan.
Wala sa Maasin. Moralidad. Ay foul kay Imboltura. Plus 2 free throws para kay Moralidad.
11.
2 minutes,
Again,
Damog viewers sa ba?
personal
Damog viewers sa
foul.
ba? Tanaw ba?
Foreign team foul.
Ang iyabe, ang iyabe. It's okay. Wala sa Tigbawan. Elbison. Pick up by Taton to Emboltura. Over Alamudin. Pass break, Gonzaga. Block by Emboltura. Pick up by Tigbawan.
Tinapaw, gipasa.
Tinapaw. Pass to Happy.
Happy Talimay.
Triple jumper, no basket.
Sulot rebound.
Lester Van Paraico. Forward pass. RJ Gonzaga.
Gonzaga.
All alone. Wala. Pick up by Tigbawan.
Talimay, dribbling the ball.
Jimmy Jessel Bison.
Elbison.
Back to
Elbison, gipasa.
Taton to Tinapaw for
Tinapaw, 3 points.
The 3-point shot is brought to you by H Team.
16-11.
Import and Export Trading Corporation by Sir JP Hernandez. Wala sang maase.
2 points, Mas.
Points para kay Alamudin sang maasin.
Lamutin. Gatton
1 minute
dribbling
and
the ball.
34.
1 minute 32 seconds in the first quarter.
Gatton.
Tinapao, dribbling the ball, Gimpasa.
Back to Happy.
Happy.
Entry pass to
Elbison.
Elbison against Manahero. Happy jumper.
Happy jumper.
Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Manahero.
Manahero,
Forward pass to
Gimpasa.
Moralidad.
Moralidad.
Moralidad. Nice pass to Paraito. Wala. Rebound. Tigbawan with 1 minute and 3 seconds. 7 minutes of first quarter. Jose Ray Tuya and Patrick Gain in para sa Tigbawan. Tuya, pass to Patrick Gain. Manuel Bison. Envoltura, meron jumper, wala. Rebound, RJ Gonzaga. Pass break to Lorque. Back to Gonzaga. Gonzaga! Gonzaga! Double dribble.
Double dribble.
Turnover para sa Maasin. Balik ang bola sa Tigbawan.
Wala to nag-score. Wala ka-score din.
Tuya, entry pass to Elbison. Back to Tuya.
Okay na, guys.
Tuya for 3. Wala. Envoltura, all alone.
Again, Envoltura.
Tigbawan 18.
Another 2 points para sa Tigbawan. With
30.
20 seconds left. Reservan para Ikom. Get by Happy. Wala sa Tigbawan. Elbison to Patrick Gain to Happy.
Happy.
Another 2 points. 6 seconds.
Tigbawan.
Para Iko. 2 seconds. Floater. May foul. That's 2 free throws para kay Nestor.
Foul by number 11. Again, Envoltura. That is your second personal
7
foul.
point lead para sa Tigbawan.
Penalty.
Chance para Iko to cut the lead.
Tigbawan.
First free throw basket.
Sherwin Wingturan to shot out. Marcos Turoy.
Second free throw. No basket para kay Paraíco. 1 out of 2. And that's the end of our first quarter.
Joel Caballero.
After first quarter, Tigbawan is leading by 6 points.
That is the end of the first quarter. Official score,
Almat.
20-14. Tigbawan.
Good evening, good evening. Damos ang bala sa Honda ba? In Sarasin. Shout out Mr. Paul. Thank you for watching sa ating YouTube channel. Boss DJ Lo, Trap Ramonte. Shout out kay Inulan man. Irene Tagarnas, Talagras, Ray Traps. Shout out Michael James Sir, Mark Liz, Go Trapinya, Boss Mark Denver. Wala si Tra, wala sa line-up sa Tigbawan, si PJ Brazil. Paul John Dam, Jos Delida, Catalio, Ronnie Borja, Aljon Ambong, Panaligan. Shout out, shout out. Back to the ball game, second quarter, bola sa Masin. Lorque, RJ Gonzaga. Gonzaga against Travenia, jumper!
Randy Gonzaga.
2 points para kay RJ Gonzaga. Wala sa Tigbawan. Jose Ray Tuya.
Goya.
Ay! Astil! Kay Manahero. Ay! Yakabal kay Gain. Wala sa Tigbawan. Gain. Patrick to Patrick. Patrick Tayang. Jumper. Abus. Tiga by RJ Gonzaga. Pass break to Lorque. Ay! Lorque blocked by the board. Pero stolen. RJ Gonzaga. Wala. Travenia. Nagpalapit. Block by Manahero. Pick up by Wilmar Silverio. And a foul on
There's a
Patrick
foul.
Gain.
Foul by number
Hello, Kete
4.
Rider, shout out.
20 16 ang
Kay
score.
Feder Davao.
Patrick
Frederick
Guy,
Davao.
that is your first personal foul. First big foul.
Sa agility. Pero wala din sa agility. 3-point shot ni Manahero. Wala sa may naigo. Balik ang bola sa Tigbawan. Wins Tualan. Wala si Sinisa. Wala
Toya,
si
dribbling the
Sinisa.
ball.
Jo Maria Alejandria. Shout out. Crack basketball from Tigbawan. Wala sa Tigbawan. Patrick Taya. Paso Jose Reytuya. Jose Reytuya. Hesitation dribble. Pass to Taya.
2 points.
Patrick Taya.
Pass break sa Maasin, mid by 4. Well, Marcel Berio side step!
2 points.
Wow! Just 4-point lead para sa Tigbawan. Bola arang
8 minutes sa 13 seconds in the second quarter.
Travenia. Saldivia. Cabuz. Rebound. Wala makontrol sa Tigbawan. Balik ang bola sa Maasin. 8 minutes and 3 seconds.
Maasin
Time
ball.
remaining sa second quarter.
Manahero dribbling the ball. Passing jersey number 7.
Noel Tio, thank you so much for watching sa ating YouTube channel.
Isa nga ng Stera.
RJ Gonzaga for 3! That 3-point shot is brought to you by
Second in the second
Big
quarter.
foul.
and for the next
Official score,
Trading Corporation Incorporated by Sir J.P.
22-21.
Hernandez.
Tigbawan.
Down to 1-point lead ang advance sa Tigbawan against Maasin. In 7 minutes and 53 seconds, time remaining sa second quarter. Ang pasang niya, gawin
John
doon.
Torres Aldon, shout out.
I-post ko lang i-post ko lang makita mo ng schedule. Arnold Jr. Zirudo, shout out kay John Vincent Taton sa Tigbawan.
Jan Francisco Class.
Choco Saturnino, shout out sa Great Wall of Maasin. Sino ang Great Wall of Maasin? Si Alamudin o si Hakulina? Ray Trans, Peter Jen Travenia, Jo Maria Alejandria, Louis Jim Beliesa Helvero, shout out. Christian Banico, din si Christian sa mga Dubai, no? Kung shot ang Bongbong Talimay, no basket. Hindi ka pa yung Colina. And loose ball foul. Ang tawagin sa
Foul by
Dubai.
number 20. Simon Saldivia, that is
Manahero,
your
dribbling the ball.
first personal foul. Second big foul.
Para sa Maasin, Manahero. To Silverio. Wala. Pick up by Tugday. Pass to Bongbong. Pass to Peter Jim. Intercepted by RJ Gonzaga.
Steal by
Para sa
Gonzaga.
Maasin. Manahero to Silverio. Back to Manahero. Manahero, baseline to Lorque for 3. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Hakulina. Second chance para sa Maasin. RJ Gonzaga. Wala. Rebound Saldivia. And jump ball. Para position. Nonoy Caspe. Bigaso. Shout out. Yao Sanjay. Wala si Sinesa. Wala man si Nicor. Lele Besares Coronado. Siya, nasa Acolina. Arasa, gampang. Yao Sanjay. Wala si Sinisa, wala man si Smith Nicor. Wala sa Tigbawan, David Joseph Luzon. Rabenya, nag-fake.
Rabenya, pasa. Ikanggao. Steal by Maasin.
Pick up by Maasin. Moralidad.
Realidad yung
Manahero, mid by Helmison. Step through! Wow!
1 point lead, Maasin.
Change favor, abansin ang Maasin sa isa. Kontra Tigbawan. Entry pass at Tugday. Pick up by Manahero. Pass back to Moralidad. Pero nabuyan ang bola. Turnover para sa Maasin. Balik ang bola sa Tigbawan.
Siargao, Tigbawan, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 13 yung pass sa kay Talimay.
Ginanaw, pass to Bongbong Kalimay. Bongbong Kalimay, kontra
Pass sa
Benya,
tabi niya,
libre,
nag-press.
wala. But there's a foul on RJ Gonzaga. 3 free throws
Foul number 9.
for Peter Jim Trabenya.
Randy Gonzaga. That is your first personal foul. First team foul.
Oreka MJ, sign on, Maasinanon, watching live here at Tigbawan, Maasin, Iloilo. Rib Alvarez Pabilona, Mr. Highlight Rib. Shout out kay Happy Talimay. Pa-check nyo man sa Facebook page ni Mr. Highlight Rib. May mga ara siya mga highlight o reels ang basketball.
Junalik Turigi, shout out.
Madam, salamat.
Godwin Bisoyan, shout out.
Muyong
Shout out sa inyo
Solena
tanan.
Seras.
Kasi sa atang live mga
Tanong
idol.
pangkauton, wala ko ina.
Wala sang
Check
maasin.
natin ang schedule. Pero wala sila sa Intra sa open, wala sila. Daw aralan sila sa 17 under na team. Dishua, Dishon, Jude, Alamudin.
Gonzaga, wala ko tulog.
Hubert, Francis, Laudato. 3-point shot ni Gonzaga, wala mong sulod. Wala sa Tigbawan, Kikangao, paso Helbison. Pick up by Bongbong, back to Helbison for 3.
Helbison nag-press, 3 points, sulod.
And Jazz
That 3-point shot is called lost by 18 in Jenny. And for the next projecting Corporation Incorporated by Sir J.P. Hernandez. Bola sang Maasin. Moralidad, pass to Manahero for 3. Three-point shot by Manahero. It's brought to you by HC. And Jenny, in for the next projecting Corporation Incorporated by Sir J.P. Hernandez. Wala ang iya di Bongbong Kalimay. Wala
Manahero.
sa Maasin. Manahero, RJ Gonzaga. Pass to Manahero, to Moralidad. Moralidad. RJ Gonzaga for 3. Wala. Rebound. Ikaw ka Peter Jim Trabenya. Wala sa
Trabenya.
Tigbawan. Peter Jim. Pass to Jelbison.
Helbison.
3 seconds violation.
The second violation.
Violation.
Shot clock violation.
Timeout ang itawag sa
Timeout.
4
Maasin.
minutes and 25 seconds. Time remaining sa second
Shout out sa
quarter.
Orat
2-point
Maduklan.
lead para sa Tigbawan.
Official score.
Yan natin Tricky.
28-26.
Jarel Pizarre, shout
Hugo
out.
Maasin, wala pa
Mark
pakaisan.
Lawrence Tranco, shout out. Alfred
Ram.
Limatok.
Sineza.
Raymar Velasco, shout out kay Wildy
Hugo Maasin,
Baok.
Tantan. Shout out sa sila Maasin.
Idigos Bukol, shout out. Adrian Aldon, Santibawan for 3. Mayong gabi, amigo. Jomel Angelo Pendon sa Oking Kototan. Shout out, boss. Sa bilog na team Oking Kototan, mayong gabi. Reynald, shout out Barasan Boys, especially to 1-2 punch combo. Kate Ninja, mga 1-2 punch ako.
Maasin.
Ako itong nagligan. Grabe, banzay mo kay King.
Ikanggaw.
Kikanga!
2 points sa bawat.
Got 2 points again for Tigbawan. Bola sa Maasin. 4 minutes. Time remaining. Moralidad for 3. Paganya! That 3-point shot is brought to you by H-Team and Jenny. And for the next for Jenny Corporation by Sir J.P. Hernandez. Bola sa Tigbawan. Bongbong Kalimay. Jimmy Jessel Bison. Peter Jim Trabenya for 3. Wala. Ikapay Alamudin. Bola sa Maasin.
Alam mo din.
Wilmar Cerverio. Nalulus ball para Eko. Lorque set.
Lorque.
3. Wala. Rebound. Moralidad. Wala.
Rebound,
Bola sa parang
Tigbawan.
itawag. Bola sa Tigbawan. Ikangao. Asil. May Alamudin. 3-on-2 pa. 3-on-1 pass break. Alamudin. Foul. Counted. Balik avance sa Maasin with 3 minutes and 6 seconds. God blessing Sir JB TV. Good evening. Pa-check nyo sa page ni Sir
Tigba
JB.
130. Maasin
God
31.
blessing Sir JB. May mga upload siya dira sa mga basketball diri sa Ala
Right,
Amanyang
Maasin.
Ao and sa ibang niya places.
32-30. 2-point lead
Lagi follow
Maasin.
sa page ni Sir JB. Ni ka-blessing Sir JB ni Sir JB Constantino. Thank you so much for watching. Wala sa Nigbawan, Happy Talimay, Sir Pote, Idong,
There's a foul.
Foul by number 12.
Idong Tugday.
Mars Silverio, that is your
Bawang down
first
by 2
personal
points.
foul, second
Minutes
team
and 50
foul.
seconds. Time remaining. Idong missed the first free throw. One out of 2 para kay Tidong Tugday. Cut the lead of Maasin to 1 point. Bola sa
1-point
Maasin.
lead Maasin.
Moralidad.
32-31.
Moralidad.
2 minutes
Moralidad.
43
Paso
seconds.
Alamudin.
Alamudin.
Roberto Paraiko. Esteban Paraiko. Dire-diretso. To Silverio.
Silverio.
Jump. Wala. Rebound. Pick up kay Alamudin. One-legged jumper.
Jude Alamudin.
Maasin. 6 points. Alamudin.
Easy basket para kay Alamudin. Bola sa Tigbawan. Happy Talimay. Paso Tangiente. Ravenia.
Sabi niya na press.
Wala.
Nakasulot.
Pick up by Wilmar Silverio. Bola sa Maasin. Moralidad. Lester Bal Paraiko. Paraiko. Paso Silverio. Silverio over Happy. Basket.
Mars Silverio.
Maasin.
5-point lead para sa Maasin. Bola sa Tigbawan.
1 minute 46 seconds. Second quarter. Caliente. 2
Basket
points.
over Wilmar Silverio. Wala sa Tigbawan. Bola sa Maasin with 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Bola sa Maasin.
Alamudin, set for
Alamudin.
3. Kabus. Pick
Lucas
up by Dimitri
Alamudin.
Silvison. Pass to
Travenia.
Peterson Travenia. Forward pass to Happy Talimay. Happy. Tangente. Travenia. Travenia against Silverio. May slip to Hilbison. Pass to Tangente. Lebre. Drive.
Good point. 36-35. 1 point lead. Maasin. Remaining time 1 minute 2 seconds.
Official
Timeout ang
score,
Maasin.
36-35. Maasin. Time
Shout
remaining
out, Idol. Happy birthday kay Boss J. Pelos. DSO Santig Bawan. Renz de la Cruz. Boss Aracel Lawrence. Prosa. Daw wala ko may nabasahan niyo muna ang kangalan. Ryan Liboon Ilisan. Shout out kay Mark Linga. Exe Alegrio Caruto. Shout out sa Xavier Emission Testing Center. Sangliagaw. Kenneth Vlog. Shout out Rama Asin. Sablay ang tira sa Maasin. Bola sa Lipawan. Tangente. Paso Hilbison.
Elvison.
Paso points.
Point.
Landgrass Nelson.
Tangente. Giving the spark para sa Matigbawan. RJ Gonzaga. Para Iko. Long three. Wala. Pass break. Tangente once again to Happy Talimay. Oy!
Happy Talino.
3-point lead back para sa Tigbawan. Bola sa Maasin.
Moralidad dribbling the ball. May tapasahan.
Moralidad.
Ball sa foul.
Foul on Jimmy Jess Helbison.
Foul by number 11. Amir and Cultura, that is your third personal foul.
Bola sa Maasin. Para Ikolong 3. Wala. That's the end ng aton yung second quarter. Ay, second quarter pala.
That's the
That's
end of the
the
second
second
quarter.
That is the end of the second quarter.
Nice one. At the end
Score
of the quarter.
36. Maasin. Tigbawan.
Official score
9.
39
3-point lead.
36.
Tigbawan.
We would like to thank our sponsors para sa ating
Big
live
Bawa.
page.
Correction.
CM Styles, Printed Supplies, and the full subdivision free capital of
Foul by number 22 of the Bawan
And
Damages
Monty
Helbison.
McMahon.
That is your first
Thank you to
personal foul.
and Jenny, Emperor Expo Trading Corporation Incorporated, by Sir J.P. Hernandez. Ito po nagpakita sa aming heavy equipment, truck, bulldozer, reader. Konta ka lang ang Jenny, Emperor Expo Trading Corporation, by Sir J.P. Hernandez. And also, I would like to say thank you to Double the Brew.
Dodremilo, Pilar, shout out. Oscar Tupong, Junior, shout out.
Ilawi ang ilang ang milkshake, milk tea ang ilang ang kape.
Shout out dyan sa 200
Viewers.
viewers.
Sa ilang ang pwesto.
Share sa ating live
Kami sa
na ito.
Macau, hindi paglilipat din
Kaban
na
si
Makati.
Tigbawan sa sining
Double
after
the Brew.
second quarter.
Din Miag-aw. And also, thank you so much to Antada.
We would like to thank the following sponsor.
Sa Miag-aw.
Monosave Driving School, Miagao, Iloilo.
Rosso, kang Barano.
Islam Corporation, Hardware and
Batsuyan,
Electrical
maraming
Supply.
salamat. Shout out to Yorel.
Mighty Angela Grocery Store, Gabalitia Dress Chicken, also fresh meat and frozen foods. J. Active Styles, the Priyan capital of Panay. Pag-un Builders and Supply.
700.
And Win Furniture Shop, located at Barangay Quinay Sur, Miagao, Iloilo. Owned and managed by Mr. Edwin Nevaez Panya.
Shout out, Mark Angelo Serguera, Asang San Miguel. Shout out, Idol. Denver, Servidad. Shout out, Angelo Serguera. Denver, Servidad.
Owned and
Naro,
managed
si
by
Balios.
Mr. Avelino
Shout out,
Francisco
Kinitag Naro. Wala ka din Naro. Buwari ka man. Fort William Parsha. Shout out, Bossing.
Yun na.
Gaming the Third, Lacerna. Shout out.
Daphne Lynn Montero, shout out.
Prince Ryan Gonzalez. Shout
Gogo
out.
Maasin Dodrian
Robos Rico
Pilar,
Tatlong
shout out.
Hari, shout out, idol. Teda mo ang aton nga daw. Ang balita ko diri, +6, no? +6 ang Tigbawan. Sakto na. Remar Velasco, Rex Bautista,
Entrance of the third quarter.
Ronnie Cachero Tingson, Raybo Delmer, shout out.
Bola sa
Alvaro,
Tigbawan.
Aldrin, nadula na. Kadasik. Back to the ball game, third quarter. Bola sa Tigbawan. Tigbawan versus Maasin. Bongbong Talimay for 3. Wala. Rebound. Manahero.
Manahero, dribbling the ball, jersey number 7 of Maasin.
Manahero bring down the ball para sa Maasin.
Alright, diretso gipasa. Gonzaga.
Wala ang tira.
Rebound, tinapaw. Oy, sa foul.
Foul by number 0. Gerson Abolina, that is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Bola sa Tigbawan. Jose Ray Tuya. Pass to Peter Jim Travenya. Peter Jim Ravenia. Steba, Kukuya, entry pass sa Talima.
Talimay.
Ay, wala. Rebound Manahero.
Rebound
Pass
Manahero.
break.
Peter Jem
Broken
Travenia.
by Ravenia. Pick up by Jose Reytia. Bola
Kuya,
sa
dribbling
Tibawan.
the ball. Itapasan. Ipas na
Bongbong
Talimay.
Talimay. Jumper. Wala.
Talimay.
Rebound Manahero.
Lon, rebound. Manahero dribbling the ball. Naasin. Oy, steal by
Forward
Ravenia.
pass stolen by Ravenia.
It's a foul.
And loose ball foul ang ginawa kay RJ Gonzaga.
Foul by number
Si
9,
Gonzaga.
Randy Gonzaga. That is your second personal
Third
foul.
quarter remaining time. 8
Second
minutes, 51
team
seconds.
foul.
Bola sa Tigbawan.
Kuya dribbling the ball.
Jose Reytia.
Tigbawan.
Pass to Peter Jim
Peter
Ravenia.
Jem Travenia.
Ravenia. Pass to
Tinapaw.
Tinapaw. Entry pass. Natandog niya kanina. Bola kiyapon sa Tigbawan. Pidong Tugday. Ay! Wala sila nag-itindihan na hindi tinapaw. Turnover para sa Tigbawan. Balik ang bola sa Maasin.
Misunderstanding.
Ginpasa ni Pidong sa kalok-alike niya nga si Basco. Kamay lang maigo si Basco Iloilo Sports and News Channel. Bola sa Maasin. Lorque. Lorque against Tuya. Lorque, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Manahero. Arjo Gonzaga. Drive! Ravenia for 3. Kabus. Stop! Pick up by Maasin.
Found
Dalagan ni Watang Maasin. Arjo Gonzaga. Para Eko. Leo Lorque.
Lorque.
Jumper. Wala. Rebound
Oy.
Kuya. Pick up by Arjo Gonzaga. Bola kiyapon sa Maasin. Lorque. Oh!
Tinapaw.
Nasa the corner. Stolen by Tumapaw. Tinapaw. Ravenia 2 against 1. Reverse.
Mr. Jem Ravenia.
Apolina against Tugday. Wala. Rebound Pidong. Fast break to Travenia. Broken by Paraiko. Wala sa Maasin. Paraiko to RJ.
Gonzaga.
Quick throw. Wala.
Masulot.
Rebound. Lorque. Goal! RJ Gonzaga.
Gonzaga nag-press.
Kasa. Wala. Paraiko. Wala. Gihapon. Rebound. Pick up by Jose
Toya.
Maasin, 2 against 3. Toya! Wala! Tugday, rebound! Tugday! Tugday!
Foul by number 7,
Malaluka nga fake.
Carlo Manahero. That is your first personal foul. Third team foul.
Malaluka Doncic nga fake, no? Ang inobra ni Pidong para magsala si Manahero. Nice.
Patricia Angelica, shout out. Ravenia.
6
Inilin,
minutes,
shout
6
out.
minutes and 58.
Yan Basti. Miss Lea
Basket
Tarina.
para sa first free throw ni Pidong Tugday. One out of 2 si Pidong. Rico.
Asin
Number
38.
24.
Iba 142.
4
6 minutes, 54 second, third quarter. Manahero nag-press. Wow! Sinlot ang
That's
Manahero.
2 3-point shot now already para kay Manahero is brought to us by 18.
Maasin
And
41.
Jimmy
Iba
Impones for
152.
trading Corporation Incorporated by Sir JP Hernandez. Still by
2 points, Maasin.
Moralidad.
Talimay.
With that quick sequence, abanse liwat ang Maasin sa isa.
1 point lead Maasin. 6 minutes, 15 seconds. Third quarter.
Manahero
Manahero
isa pa.
nag-press.
Tapos.
Sulot.
Limay. 6 minutes, time remaining. Alima ito Patrick Tayag against
Patrick
Manahero.
Tayag.
Jumper.
2 points.
Basket para kay Patrick Tayag.
Tigbawan.
Patrick Tayag.
1 point lead. Tigbawan. 44. Maasin. 43.
Francis Liwata Tigbawan sa isa. Bola sa Maasin. Moralidad. For 3.
Moralidad agtes. Wala
Tapos,
tulod.
Ivan Pongpong Talima. Patrick.
Patrick Tayag.
Tayag versus Manahero. Paso Helbison. Tutuya. Tutayag. Tayag. Wala. Rebound. Moralidad. And loose ball para itawag kay Jose Reytuya.
There's a foul.
Foul number 23. Jose Reytuya. That is your first personal foul. First team foul.
Nagkasaka. Back to the ball game. Bola sang Maasin.
Anhente. Elvison. 2 points.
Then James Helmison.
Ilan na yun? Sana all.
Kapit taas
Sana
viewer,
all.
viewers mo kape. Taas.
Gamintin na rin sa 100. Shout out.
3-point lead para sa Tigbawan with 4 minutes and 52 seconds.
46,
Time remaining.
43.
Bola sang Maasin. Lester Van para Iko. Drive. And foul na kitawag kay David Jess Galvizon.
Foul by number 22. Danny James Helmison. That is your second personal foul. Second team foul.
Dalmau Silverio. 9 seconds to shoot para sa Maasin. Lorque. 4 seconds to shoot. Alam mo din. Jumps. Basket.
Wala mo din. 2
Good.
points.
Lucky.
Alam mo din, napupuntos. Bola sa Tigbawan, Happy Talimay, may screen kay Patrick Tayag. Pass to Patrick sa free throw line, back to David
Talima,
Jess, perimeter
Elvison.
jumper.
2 points.
Danny
Basket.
James Helmison.
Exchange of baskets para sa Maasin ng Tigbawan in the few possessions. Last 4 minutes of the ball game. Bola sa Maasin. RJ Gonzaga, quick draw, bang! 3-point shot is brought to you by H-Team. And
3 points, Maasin.
Shooting Corporation by Sir JP Hernandez.
48 all ang score.
Foul by
Deadlock of the ball game at 48 all.
Salamat sa nagpa-stars.
Awarded to Patrick Tayag.
Christine Sorongon. 10 stars. Thank you.
Tayo lang niyang may star.
number 12, your Mars and
Mama said some star. Thank you. Why am I going to send some star? Kaya pa sa passion, my star. 1 out of 2 si Patrick Tayag sa free throw line. Pansi sa isang Tigbawan. Bola sa Maasin. Astil by Tigbawan. Happy. Totanyo.
Jen Tapio.
Rotate ang Maasin.
Back to 3-point
Maasin
lead para
48.
sa
Tigbawan
Tigbawan.
51.
Maasin na may bola. RJ Gonzaga.
Gonzaga, there's a foul.
Helbison. And foul ang itawag kay Demijes Helbison.
Foul by number
Kaya kadamo
22.
na star Philip Tuarez. Madamo na salamat.
Danny James Helmison. That is your third personal foul. Third team foul.
Malagi hapon sa Maasin. para Iko. Wala, para Iko gyapon. RJ Gonzaga, gingkasa. Bang!
Gonzaga 2 points.
The 3 points shot is brought to you by Ainsley. And Jenny, Inverness Luxury Corporation, Marshal J.P. Hernandez.
3 points to 51 all ang score.
Foul by
2
number
minutes 53 seconds for the third quarter.
With 2 minutes and 23 seconds time remaining.
penalty.
Penalty na ang Tigbawan or ang Maasin. And 2 free throws will be awarded to the spark
the
plug
free throw
of
line of
Tigbawan.
Tigbawan.
Tangente.
Tangente, first round.
Baka damos ang staro. Gusto ko lang star. Agam, pila lang imo, 15 star. Kanawa di ako, damo-damo.
Wow, sana all.
Damo-damo ka message nga star. Zero araw to sa tanggal na 3 po sa free throw line. Bola sa Maasin. Alam mo din. Marco Lorque, fake, drive, paso RJ. RJ drive, oy.
Violation.
2 minutes 33 seconds, score 51 all. Third quarter again, remaining time 2 minutes 30 seconds. Tigbawan
Gusto ko,
ball.
ginagutom na ako. Huwag kami sa panyapon pa. No?
Tangente,
Bola sa Tigbawan, Tangente. Pass to Happy Talimay. Happy Talimay, meet by Lorque. Talimay. Entry pass, stolen by Maasin. 2 against 1, Moralidad. Goal! I think that would be an unsportsmanlike foul.
Unsportsmanlike foul by number 10. Amado Connecte III. That is your first personal foul.
unsportsmanlike foul si Tangente.
Moralidad will shoot the 2 technical free throws.
Free throw si Moralidad Maasin, first throw counted.
Laban si Liwat ang Maasin. Wallace.
Score 53 Maasin, 51 Tigbawan.
Wala sa Maasin.
Lorque, yung pasa kay Alamutin.
Pass to Moralidad.
Moralidad.
Pass to RC Gonzaga.
Gonzaga nag-press. 3 points. Gonzaga of Maasin.
3-point shot is brought to you by H-Team in
Tigbawan
Jenny.
ball.
Inverness Luxury Corporation by Sir J.P. Hernandez.
Ikangaw.
Liga steal para sa Maasin. Bola sa Tigbawan. Oy! A steal! But recovered by Tigbawan. Oy! Patrick Gain. Indultura. Stolen. Pero last shots. Selverio. Wala sa Tigbawan. Ika. Indultura. Pasukanyo. And the ball was
Foul by number 5. Jude Alamadian. That is your second personal foul. Penalty.
So free throws para kay Tanyo. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Ganun gabot amat kasi kayo
Bola
na
sa
signal.
Maasin da up by 4. Moralidad to RJ. RJ drive. Pass to Silverio. Back to Moralidad. Moralidad drives. Nice pass. Stolen by M. Voltora. Pass by to Patrick Gain. 3 against 2. Gain. That's 2 points.
Patrick Gain.
Patrick Gain. Wala sang maasin. 31 seconds time remaining. Alam mo din. Pass to Moralidad. Corner.
Foul by number 11.
Personal foul ang tinawagan ng
Delphine Lopez.
penalty.
Number 11, Amira Fortuna, that is your
Score.
third personal foul.
Marcin 56. Tigbawan 54. Remaining time the third quarter, 24 seconds. Completed 2 points of Marcin.
After 4-point lead para
Silverio.
sa Tigbawa para sa Maasin. In 24 seconds time remaining.
58-54, 4.3, Maasin.
Wala sa
Ikangaw. Entertain Cabinia.
Tigbawan.
Alimay.
Bongbong Kalimay to Peter Jim for 3. Wala. Rebound. Tapos Silverio to alam mo din.
Silverio.
To RJ Gonzaga.
Gonzaga, I mean.
Layup.
Gonzaga, 2 points.
Randy Gonzaga. That is the end of the third period.
That's the end of the third quarter.
Official score,
Maasin 60.
60
Tigbawan 54.
Once San Ano ang Maasin after 3
6.3,
quarters.
Maasin.
And we will go to the last and final quarter, the last 10 minutes of the ball game. Shout out Boss Reynold Lorania. Wala si Balios, wala si Nicor, wala si Nessa.
Rodolphic mo, shout out.
Lionel Jake Taas,
O, nagina, bago lang, pero subong okay na.
si
Nagina,
Maya
signal.
Joy Gumaasin,
Ay,
Louis
nagina,
Jim
nagina,
Villesa,
signal. Shout out sa
Cervero,
tanan, balik.
Boss Herman Colmo, shout out
Shout
to Colmo
Garina,
family.
Balatito. Shout out sa tanan-tanan.
From Ayungan Kagpudpud. Thank you for watching sa ating YouTube channel. Shane Carlo. Remjon Clarito. Shout out sa classmate ko, Armar Bongbong Talimay. Louis Jim Villesa Gerbero. Sir JVTV, shout out. Thank you for watching sa ating YouTube channel. Mary Ann de Los
Manahero.
Reyes, shout out. Danny Joy Incanda.
Good points.
Start of the fourth quarter. Basket from Macolina of
Fourth
Maasin.
quarter.
The biggest lead of Maasin in this ballgame, 8 points against Tigbawan. Peter Jim Pravena, entry pass.
Ikangaw.
Wala, Kikanaw. Pass break. Moralidad. Wala sang Maasin, Macolina. Reservan para Iko against Bongbong Talimay. Shoot for 3, Kabus. Pick up by Peter Jim Travena. Pass to Bongbong Talimay for 3. Basket! The 3-point shot by
Talimay.
Bongbong Talimay is brought to you by H-Team and Jenny Emperor and Export Trading Corporation by Sir JP Hernandez. Wala sang Maasin, Macolina. Pass to
Manahero.
Manahero, drive to Moralidad, jumper.
Moralidad, 2 points.
Third jumper.
Moralidad.
7-point lead para sa Maasin, 8 minutes and 40. Talimay. Pass to Pidong. Pidong. Pass to Bongbong to Helbison for 3.
Helbison.
Wala, rebound Kidong. Over
Dobra.
Hero. Wala, tap. Pass break again. Arcel Gonzaga.
Gonzaga.
Laban na.
Timeout, Tigbawan.
8 minutes and 15, 9 point lead for
Time
Maasin.
remaining, 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Official score, 66-57.
Sa fourth and final quarter. Warren Oban, Warren Napua of GM Cristal, shout out Idol. Shout out dia Idol, shout out. Mark Kenneth, Figueroa, shout out kay Ken, Sestina, Christopher Caspe, shout out
Shout
si
out
Piso.
kay Frank Navarro.
Monoy Smith, shout out kay
Nika
Maasin,
Ball.
Richard Giracho.
So, shout out kay Gawad Batok, Gastar, Samburak, Maasin, Permigid, ka Tanaw sa imo, boss. Ay, thank you.
Then John
Kay
Chocon,
Bitok,
Boss Akol
Gastar,
sa Gilban, shout
Samburak,
out boss. Back to the ball game, bola sa Tigbawan. Travenia, pass to Bongbong Kalimay for 3. Kabus, pick up by Lester Van Paraíco. Three-point shot by Manahero, wala. Forward pass break. Travenia 2 points. Air basket para kay Peter Jen Travenia. Down to 7.3 para sa Maasin. Paraíco to Hacolina. Paraíco for 3. Basket!
Paraíco,
The
3
3-point shot
points.
is brought to you by H-Team and Senji. And for the next one,
69,
Corporation by
59.
JP Hernandez. 10-point lead para sa Maasin. Bola sa Tigbawan. Tidong, pass to Bongbong. Bongbong Talimay.
Bongbong Talimay.
Cross court to Jose Rentuya for 3. Wala. Rebound, Lester Van Paraíco. Wala sa Maasin. 7
Rebound.
minutes. Time remaining. Moralidad. Pass to Manahero. Oy! Entry pass. Wala masalaw ni Hacolina. Balik ang bola sa Tigbawan. Raptor John Torreque, shout out Nick Talion, Princess Ryan Gonzalez. Shout out kay Willard, Papicon Lilin, shout out, watching from Italy. Wow, may viewer ako taga Italy, pa-star naman di mom. Bola sa Tigbawan, cross court, Kuya, entry pass to Payag. Short stop jumper, basket.
Points.
Patrick Payag, got the lead of Maasin to 8 points. With 6 minutes and 24. Bola sa Maasin, Paraíco. Lester Van Paraíco for 3. Wala. Rebound kaya. Ang loose ball pa kay Hacolina.
Tumba si Patrick.
Foul by number 0, Jason Hacolina. That is your second personal foul, first team foul.
Misami Maluho. Watching from Qatar. Qatar, gid ba nino? Damo ako na broad ba? Di pa star ka mo da, be. Wala sang Maasin. 5 minutes and 59. Happy Talimay. Paso Tayag.
Tayag,
Nice
Patrick.
move!
Good points.
Patrick Tayag.
Still by Maasa by Tigbawan.
Happy Talimay.
Time out again sa Maasin.
Maasin.
65-69.
Maasin
Time
lead.
remaining,
Down to
5
4 points
minutes
against
and
Tigbawan.
29
5 minutes
seconds.
and 29 seconds. Time remaining sa 45
Official score,
Ralph Ernest Nibet.
69,
Shout out, boy,
65.
Toretto Taparan.
Maasin.
Shoutout kay Tyrod Pachico Boss from Brazil.
Virginet Buhayan, salamat sa live. Watching from Pasig, Ricoy Artante. Shout out, Terdi Antonio.
Shoutout kay Frank Navarra, Minikabli.
Sazer.
Sa kay Kagawa Bishop, Gastar,
Sazer John
Samura,
Tuliga, Ralph Ernest
Maasin.
Nibet.
Thank you again.
Willard Monicado, watching from Canada. May star na kundi mo kaya Canada. Kawara ka ba tao? Bola sa Maasin. Manahero over to die!
Manahero, 2 points.
Back to 6-point lead para sa Maasin with 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Bola sa Tigbawan. Jose Reytuya. Kaso Happy Talimay. 10 seconds to shoot. Happy for 3. Wala. Rebound. Patrick Tayag. Follow up. Basket. Back to 4-point lead.
4 minutes, 42 seconds.
Aras tar imo ba aras la. Bola sa Maasin. Alam mo din. Alam mo din, pass to Manahero for 3.
Manahero, nag-3, walang shot, rebound to tie.
Pass break! Wala pa rin si Diana, si Pravenia, Kagkalimay. Chance to cut the lead, supposed to be. Turnover, balik ang bola sa...
Tayo.
Ano ka charge? Lubat ah?
Ha?
Para Iko for 3!
Areco, 3 points.
Lester Van para Iko, 3 points shot is brought to you by AC. And Jenny. Emperor
4 minutes, 3 seconds.
by Sir J.P. Hernandez. Another 2 points from Patrick
Last quarter,
Tayag.
remaining time, 3 minutes,
Still
46
5-point lead
seconds.
para sa
Alamutin,
Maasin.
Lorque.
3 minutes and 43 seconds. Lorque.
Lorque, ngita pasahan.
Using the clock, 10
Ala,
seconds to
balik,
shoot para sa
ipasa kay
Maasin.
Alamutin.
8 seconds.
Alamutin, ipasa, Silverio, back to
3
Lorque.
seconds to shoot.
Lorque. Alright.
24
Shot
seconds.
clock violation.
Para sa Maasin. Balik ang bola sa Tigbawan. Down by 5 points. With 3 minutes and 26 time remaining sa last and final quarter.
3 minutes, 25 seconds in the last quarter. Oh
Jose
yeah.
Reytuya. Jose Reytuya.
Oh yeah, dribbling the
Jose
ball.
Reytuya. Jose Reytuya. 10 seconds to shoot. Tayag. Pass to Travenia. Tayag. 5 seconds to shoot. Elvison. Bongbong Talimay for 3. Wala. There's a shot clock violation also for Tigbawan.
24 shot violation, Tigbawan.
Para sa Maasin. Turnover para sa Tigbawan.
Like and
Balik ang
share
bola
mga
sa
idol.
Maasin. 3 minutes time remaining.
Sa ating mga page. Interview kita man live sa basketball tournament rin sa
Para
ating
sa Maasin.
salamat. Bola sa Maasin.
Lorque.
Lorque. Jersey number 11 dribbling the ball. Gimpasa. Gonzaga.
Against Tuya.
Tuya.
Separation jumper.
Gonzaga Lapsulot. Patrick rebound. Gimpasa.
Ravenia entry pass. Pick up by Tayag.
Tayag.
Wow. Tayag in the right place at the right time.
Lorque.
Para sa Maasin.
Lorque Gimpasa. Lorque din.
Jumper.
2 points.
Para Alamudin.
Rounded.
Alamudin.
2 minutes, 15 seconds in the last quarter. Score, Maasin 76, Tigbawan
Back to 5-point
69.
lead. Para sa Maasin.
Patrick, there's a foul.
And there's a foul.
Nag-debut
Para
na
sa
si
Maasin.
Nag-foul. foul. So, bola sa
Jude Alamadir, that is your third personal foul, second
bola sa
team
Tigbawan.
foul.
Sa Limay.
Bola sa oh!
Violation.
An inbound violation para sa Tigbawan. Balik ang bola sa Tultugan Warriors.
Manahiro.
Ang maasin.
Ball position na maasin.
Last 2 minutes.
Alright.
This is winning time. Abanse ang
Sige na maasin, no?
sang lima. Moralidad to Angel Gonzaga. Kabus. Ikapay Happy Talimay.
Kita Limay, Tigbawan.
Dire-diretso. Drop to Helbison. Foul counted.
There's a foul.
Foul basket. Foul.
Remaining time, the last quarter, 1 minute, 41 seconds.
That is your second personal foul, third team foul.
1 minute and 41.
First throw of
Helbison sa
Helbison.
free throw line for the bonus free
Tigbawan.
throw. And damages miss. Rebound Manahero.
Rebound, Manahiro.
Still 3-point lead
Pasan
para
ni
sa Maasin.
Lorty.
Alam mo din.
din nag-press.
Jumper. Wala.
Kasalot.
1 minute
Rebound.
28. Nayag. Tubong Talimay. Baseline to Helbison. Drive. Spoke by Manahiro. Bola gihapon sa Tigbawan. Timeout ang gitawag sa
1 minute, 20 seconds in the last quarter.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
What rin? Drip ka na?
And then,
Official score, 76-73. Maasin.
Wala, what rin? Wala na akong viewer.
yeah, mayroon na.
Ginano mo pa nga wala na kuya viewer pang how? Inubos niya.
Wala mo kay Saga, dula-dula na.
Ang bot ginano niya nga kung niya viewer wala na.
Ikaw pa mo, Dan.
Back to the ball kay bola sa Tigbawan 1 minute and 20. Hindi ako kapatid. Happy Talimay. For 3. Wala. Rebound Tayag. Follow up. Wala. Tayag. Top. Huwag pa kami maasin.
Alam mo din. Gonzaga! Wow, there's a
May
foul.
foul. So free throw for Gonzaga. 1 minute and 4. Grabe sayang para sa Tigbawan.
Remaining time, 1 minute, 4 seconds. 73-76, 3-point league. 73
Paano
na.
mag-screenshot?
Ha?
Paano mag-screenshot?
Dungan man na yun.
Ang duha.
Dungan mo yun. Wow, sana ako. Galing man tigana kay gabi siya misyo.
Kailangan sa loob. Unahin muna lima kapatid.
77.
4-point lead para sa Maasin. Bola sa Tigbawan. Talimay, 52 seconds. Cross court sa Travenia for 3. Oh, ala. Rebound alam mo din.
Alam mo din. Manahiro.
Alcoson for 3. 30 seconds. The triple shot is brought to you by Estin. And Jenny, in for a nice pathetic preparation by Sir Jacob. Sigani ka?
Oh, tigana.
Wala sa Tigbawan, down only by 3 points. 13 seconds.
Remaining time 12 seconds.
Time out ang Tigbawan. Down by 3
76,
points.
59.
With 12 seconds. Time remaining.
Official score. 79-76. Maasin.
I told you, this is the unfinished business of what happened in Maasin. 1.1 minutes. Gawa mo ito na. Last 12 seconds of the ball game.
Screenshot ko na.
Ha?
Screenshot ko na.
Wala, para makapulos ka. 10 seconds! Wala sa Tigbawan.
8 seconds.
They need a 3-point shot to force the overtime.
There's a foul.
And foul was called by Arce Gonzaga. With 5 seconds, time
Foul by
remaining.
number 9. Randy Gonzaga. That is your third
3-point lead, Maasin.
5 seconds, time remaining. 3-point lead para sa Maasin.
Bola sa
Tigbawan need a 3-point shot to tie to force the overtime. Elvison. Pass to Travenia. Travenia. 3-point shot. Wala!
Score
That is the end.
76-79.
Official score. 79-76.
And that
Winner.
was
Maasin. Congratulations.
Rival recognitions. Maasin. Wins over Tigbawan. What a ball game. What a ball game. This is a night of
Shout out
Maasin.
Stephen, Carl.
Thank you so much for watching. Next game, home court, Yagao versus Alimudian. Thank you so much for watching. What a
Next game is Alimujan versus Yagao. Thanks for watching.